Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you, and today I'm going to share with you a very beautiful topic, that is state. What is state? And I promised in previous video, in next video I will speak with you regarding state because our state matters a lot. My dear friends, if we want success in our life, then remember three things: physiology, focus and state. If you will see my other videos which I have recorded on Tony Robbins UPW, there you will find all these things. But today I will specially cover up state because, my dear friend, this state is very much important, and this state gives all success, failure in terms of money, in terms of relationship, and in terms of health, in each and every sphere of our life, my dear friends. Okay, so please understand it well, right? So what here you need to understand? Here you need to understand first of all what is a state. What is a state? My dear friends, for state I will say a state is a sum total of our it's a sum total of our neurons physiological process as a given point of time. A state is a sum total of neurophysiological process at a given point of time. Means what, my dear friends? At a given point of time, how your neurons, your physical body works, impacts, take actions, that is known as a state. Okay, next thing. It is our way of being in any moment. Means in any moment, whether the moment is good or bad, how are we participating in that moment? Okay, sometimes it happens, some people has problem but they are calm, cool. But it also happens, there are certain people, the problem is not big, but they will represent it as it is the biggest problem in their life. Okay, so it depends how are you responding in that particular moment. Another thing, my dear friends, what do you mean by state? That is, it is a sum total of our thoughts, emotions and physiological energy at any given moment. Means state is a sum total of our thoughts, our emotions, our physiological energy. Means our thoughts, emotions and our physiological energy, our physical bodily energy at a given point of time, right? So now friends, this state, and my dear friends, I will tell you, in your life your state matters a lot, because if you want to do anything or if you don't want to do anything, it happens only because of one reason, and that is your state. If your state is positive, or if your state is good, or if your state is resourceful, then you will take action towards that work. But if your state is negative, if your state is unresourceful, then you will not take any action towards that goal. Okay, my dear friend, so you have to be in resourceful state all the time, because state has two types. What? First, the resourceful state, and the second, unresourceful state. What will happen in resourceful state, my dear friends? First understand how state is, how we create a state. First we need to understand how we create a state. So my dear friends, to create a state we need the involvement of our five senses. What do we need? We need the involvement of our five senses. What is that? See, hear, touch, taste and smell. These are the five senses. So to create any state, my dear friends, all these five senses are involved. But in all these five senses, especially three senses are much more involved while creating state, and it matters a lot. And what are all those senses? All those senses are see, hear and touch. Means visual. See means visual, hear means auditory and touch means kinesthetic, kinesthesia. Kinesthesia means feeling, emotions. My dear friends, understand, you know what happens, we learn through all these five senses only. Means visual, either see or hear or taste or olfactory and gustatory, but mostly we learn with all these three. And what are all these three? All these three are, as I told you, see, hear and touch. Okay, sometimes olfactory and gustatory, smell and taste, smell and touch also, taste also matters. Okay, now my dear friends, understand one thing. We don't perceive the world as it is. We perceive the world by deleting, distorting and generalizing. Okay, as I told you in previous video, we don't always there are two types of happenings, and we install the event 2 in our mind, and that event 2 is always based on deletion, distortion and generalization. Means, my dear friends, I will explain you each one by one. Okay, first, deletion. What is deletion? Deletion is important information is left out, and this limits thoughts and actions. Means, deletion means important information is left out. We have left the important information and it limits our thoughts and action. For example, a father scolded his son, by which he should study. The son is not studying. But what son installs in his mind after this behavior of his father? My father always scolds me. He doesn't like me. He doesn't love me. He hates me. That's why he scolds me. Understand? What was the intention of the father, my dear friends? Intention of the father was, my son should study, by which he should get good marks. After that, he should get good admissions in very good college or universities, and after that he should get a good job. After that he should get a good job. After that he should live a beautiful life. This was a father's intention. But what the child told? The child is told, father doesn't love. Means, use deletion, distortion, distort. He said in some other respect, but he installed in his own perspective. Okay, and generalization. Everybody's father do this, and this is his habit. This is his daily habit. He daily always scolds me. Okay, so my dear friends, what did we understand here? This event is saying a lot. Okay, now distortion. What is distortion? That's just you understand. Information is twisted in a way, as I give you the example. The real information is twisted in its own way that limits choices, and my dear friends, it creates unnecessary problems for the listener somewhere. Okay, so always, and my dear friends, we all the time we distort the things. Means, the matter is something else, but we are just breaking it in bits and pieces, and we are presenting it in our own way, in simple language. Another thing, generalization. My dear friends, generalization means everybody same. We put all shoes in the same box. Okay, means all women are merciless. All rich people are cruel. Such statement people use, my dear friends. Money doesn't grow on trees. All husbands are bad. All wives never listen. Okay, so these are what? These are, my dear friends, I'll say these are your generalized statements. Okay, and we perceive the world in this way, which is very much injurious for us. Okay, and my dear friends, it breaks our all the reality of life, and my dear friends, later on it affects you on various level, which creates a lot of problem in your life. Okay, so my dear friends, two components which are very much important in state that we need to understand here, and that is first physiology and second personal internal representation. Physiology means state. What physiology we are holding at that moment. For example, my dear friends, if you are confident, if you are looking smart, if you are filled with blessings, if you are filled with gratitude, if you are filled with love, then you will not get depressed, then you will be not able to create negative state for yourself. Okay, for creating negative state, for creating negative mood, your physiology should be dull, your mind should be not awakened. Okay, and my dear friends, you know, at sensory level, at senses level, somewhere I'll say you will feel dull. Okay, and you know, your body, your shoulder will be down. Okay, So my dear friends, what will happen? Your physiology, when you will lose your physiology, then your state will also get loosened up, and when you will up your physiology, then your state will be up. In that time you will be in better position. For example, if you are standing like an army, okay, and in that condition, if I'll say, hey, get depressed, can you? No. For getting depression, my dear friends, there is a mechanism how to get depressed. For example, you will look at down, then you will make your face will be not a smiley, okay. For example, it is tough for me to make it because I laugh sometimes. Even my people say me, hey, you give your own statement and you laugh. You are what kind of personality you are? I say, I enjoy myself, I love myself, I respect myself. That's why I do it. You can join me if you like me, if you love me. Okay, so come to the point. My dear friends, we understand here, if we want to be in a positive state, in a resourceful state, then what we need? We need to hold our physiology in a best possible way. Means you have to be always in positive state with your frame of mind and mood too. Okay. And my dear friends, the other component which is very much important in terms of state, and that is personal internal representation. Personal internal representation. Okay. And my dear friends, what is this personal internal representation? Is personally at internal level, how are we representing it? At internal level, how are we perceiving it and how are we representing it? Okay. Sometimes it happens we show ourselves confidence. Sometimes it happens we show, my dear friends, we are happy, but we are not from inside. Internal representation is something else. So to be in a resourceful state, what do we need to take care of that? We need to take care of that, our physiological body and our personal internal representations. Okay, means personally how are we feeling with that event. My dear friends, here remember, in state, two states always, resourceful state and unresourceful state. Resourceful state will create all the options to come out of your problem. Okay. And my dear friends, resourceful state will also, it's a resourceful state means what? It's a state of confidence, happiness, delightfulness, concentration, ecstasy, decision making, love, flexibility, playfulness. My dear friends, you know, when you will find all these positive attributes, then you understand you are in a resourceful state. But on the other hand, if you are in unresourceful state, then what will happen? My dear friends, here you will be fearful from inside, you will suffer from any kind of phobia, and you may be in trauma, you may be in sadness, you may feel guilt, you may feel discomfort, you may feel confusion, you may feel depression and frustration. My dear friends, so in unresourceful state, we are getting the feelings of fear, phobia, trauma, sadness, guilt, discomfort, confusion, depression and frustration. It means that though you have all the resources, but because of these states, you cannot get the access to your resources. Means, my dear friends, all the, NLP says that all the resources are within. You all have all the resources. Means each and every human being has all the resources, but they are not reaching to that resources. At the moment they will reach to that resources, they will unleash the power within, or you can say that they will unleash their limiting beliefs. Okay, they will achieve, they will get whatever they want to achieve in their life. Okay, so friends, I will say, to get success in our life, if anything is important, that is our state. Our state is so much important to get success. Okay, and my dear friends, listen one thing. If state is something, I will say, either it will make your life or it will break your life. Okay, and if you will learn to be in a resourceful state, then you will win all the battle. Because my dear friends, as I have told you in previous video, all the diseases are psychosomatic, and all the diseases are the result of only one thing, and that is release of adrenaline and cortisol. Okay, and because of that we get victim of all these diseases. So another thing, my dear friends, now you will say, okay Jyoti, you told me how it is, but how it can be cured? For curing, my dear friends, I will take 1 minute only. Okay, to cure all diseases there is only one answer, one medicine, and that is change your state. Be in positive state, release all positive hormones, and all those positive hormones will give you a new life, a new self-esteem to you, a confidence. Okay, and it will regenerate your all cells, and it will help you a lot to get success in your life, my dear friends. If you like this video, then please give your comment in comment box. Okay, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. We will meet soon in next video.